Alright, we'll see how this works. I'll be mad if it doesn't catch it, but it should. It's about the same as it was. Alright. So once again, going for the vine climb. These are my gloves, my riding gloves. I've been looking for good ones forever. These, though more pricey, are wonderful. Oh my goodness. Motorsport Lifestyle. Okay. Beautiful. Leather. Love the white stitching. Black. Favorite colors, black and white. Could use some red. But alright, I'm doing it without the hat today because, I don't know, I want full visibility. So, let's try this again. Knife is secure. Oh, I am taking this knife out because, you know, hanging on with my legs or whatever, it gave me a big old bruise. And while I'm not a wuss, why add more pain? No need for that, right? Alright, I stretched like an hour ago, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, I can't see that coming down. Okay, here goes. That's why I stopped last. Woo! Higher than last time. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm wearing a hat next time. Woohoo! And a spider web. Alright, that's that for today. Hope everyone enjoys the weather. I have vine bark everywhere.